from the bestseller for the last 3 years. With over 200 units sold in just 6 months, Typhon Machinery now introduces something bigger, stronger, and built for serious power. This is the Typhon Terror LXV, a 6.6-ton powerhouse engineered for high-performance construction, foundation work, land development, and heavy material handling. Powered by the legendary Kubota V2607 diesel engine, delivering 56.9 horsepower and 42.5 kilowatts. Low speed, idling 825 to 875 revolutions per minute, the Terror LXV puts control and comfort in your hands. Twin pilot joystick controls, responsive hydraulics, and high-low travel speed settings help operators move confidently across varied terrain. Fully enclosed AC, heater cabin, a 360 rotating body ensures safe, accurate digging and visibility, with measurements of 5,834 millimeters long, 2,000 millimeters wide, and 2,570 millimeters high. Combined with boom swing capability, it delivers agility, stability, and precision even in confined environments. The Typhon Terror LXV is engineered for the toughest jobs and roughest terrains, the kind of work that pushes ordinary machines to their limit. From mountainous job sites to farmland trenches, urban demolition zones, and remote development projects, the Terror LXV delivers reliable performance where power, stability, and durability matter most. Digging depth of 11.5 feet and digging height 16.9 feet. Everything you need for maximum worksite efficiency. More power, more capability, more performance.